Coronavirus. Yeah, I'm gonna take my mask to the grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. Gonna take my mask to the grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. I got the Lysol in the back, Clorox wipes attached, N95 mask, got the gloves that's black to match. Going to the grocery, eating too much food. Been pacing in the kitchen, you ain't been up off that couch now. I just wanna go outside. Still wanna go outside. I just wanna go outside. Still wanna go outside. Talking to my hamster, going a little crazy. Hamster is my baby, you can go and ask her. My life in pandemic, watched too many movies, running out of TV, rashes on my booty. I just wanna go outside, still wanna go outside. I just wanna go outside, still wanna go outside. Yeah, I'm gonna take my mask to the grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. Gonna take my mask to the grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. Mask down inside, living like it's fall last. And my stimulus check on a brand new guitar. Baby is a hamster, hamster wears some hamster food. Walking down the street, keeping 6 feet apart. Got a lot of stress, I've been over all this. Could really use a vaccine so I could kick on back. Wish I could roll on back to that grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my mask to the grocery store. Gonna social distance till I can't no more. Gonna listen to reason till I get bored and infect Granny for some endless apps. Listen, I know we all want to get outside. More importantly, we all want to get back to work. But we got to stick together, listen to reason, listen to science. We can beat this. Fauci.
So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video, and yeah, stay inside, keep safe, and yeah. Yeah, so I'm sorry I'm keep forgetting to like say, hey guys, it's Cybercat, you know, so I'm just gonna say it. Hey guys, it's Cybercat. So today I'm gonna be reacting to Whole Time Road, but Corona version. So yeah, okay. I know that made no sense, but you would understand. So yeah, have a good day. It's Cybercat. Oh yeah, and go ahead and leave a like, click the bell, and subscribe. If you click the bell, every single time when I post a video, it will pop up on your phone and stuff. Blah blah, and yeah. And if you press subscribe and leave a like, they will both turn blue, or like they will turn into a color. And yeah, but you don't have to if you want. But I would be appreciated if you did. But yeah. So have a great day. Cybercat is out.